Coming up in this Brightline construction update. This update looks at ballast getting dropped in Stuart on the new main line by train AFW2 on April 23, 2021. The unloading happened near Fern Street, which is located just north of the Stuart Drawbridge in Stuart, Florida. Ballast for the new track can be delivered in multiple ways. In small sections that only require minimal ballast, deliveries often happen by truck, but for the most part, ballast is delivered by a work train. When delivered by train, ballast is often dropped directly from hopper cars onto the tracks. I showed this a few months ago when it was being laid at Control Point Melbourne, which you can see at the link above. At this location though, the decision was made to deliver it by gondola. Riding on top of the gondola is an excavator. The excavator gets a load of ballast from the gondola, then dumps it onto the tracks until it is almost completely covered. When the excavator drops ballast on all of the track it can reach, it will notify the train crew to move forward slightly. The process then repeats. When a gondola is empty, the excavator is able to drive onto the next car to continue, as seen here. Eventually, a ballast regulator will come in to spread the ballast, and then a tamper will come through to raise the track and stabilize the ballast into a solid base. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.